This is a lapped zipper that goes into a skirt or a trouser. Prepare your fabrics by machining the seam from the notch to the hem, because you need a deep seam allowance to put in a lapped zip. Baste the opening for the zip, again using a 3/4 inch seam allowance to hold it closed while we set up the zipper. Press the seam open. Turn the zip right side down to the left seam allowance. Matching the stopper so it sits just below the notch. Line up the teeth with the seam. And remember, it's really important here that this zip pulley is facing upwards, because you'll have to move that while you're sewing. Pin and sew from the top to the bottom. Start with the zip pull open, or the footer will be pushed out of alignment. On a regular straight stitch, backstitch to secure. Then raise the foot and pivot the fabric to close up the zip and carry on sewing the rest of it. To sew the other side, open the puller, slide the foot over, and top sew the fabric in position. Raise the foot to pull the slider closed and out the way. And then complete the sewing line. To make sure the zip is sitting flat, pin across the base to mark the end point so you don't machine into the metal stopper and snap the needle. Pin to hold the top edge. Holding either end, flip the whole piece over and make sure this is lying really flat. Measure 5/8 of an inch from the centre fold and mark the stitching line with a line of pins. Now you're going to use masking tape to keep the sewing line dead straight. Remove the pin from earlier and apply the masking tape to get it really straight. Move the needle to the right-hand side of the zipper foot . Starting slowly, bring your needle down as you hit the lumpy bit of the zipper. Raise the sewing foot, snip open the tacking, and slide the zip pull out the way. Now carry on top stitching. Sew and stop right on the fold. And do 1 or 2 back stitches to secure. So, now we can reveal the hidden lap zip. All the top stitching is covered over by the little flap.